This is Lisa from Taihe Hardware Factory. We have specialized in metal stamping and leather cutting over 22 years. Today, I'd like to show you our enclosures. This is the router enclosure. It is pretty light. We used aluminum to do this part. For the blue surface, it is because we applied with blue powder coating. You can see the leather texture, right? This color can be changed to what you want. Blue, green, what else? So let's go inside. The inside area without powder, because the powder coating will affect the electric conductivity. It is for fracture purpose. Here riveted two screw nuts. We use it for the next step to assemble this. The bending corner with welding craft, and then polished and powder coating on the surface. It's very smooth and no gap. Okay, let's go back to the outside. You can see the logo, the white icons. We use the silk screen to do this printing. It is durable enough, right? Thank you for your watching. If you like our videos, please give us a like. If you want to know more about Matel Sheet fabrications, please subscribe us. Bye.